Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to invite your friends on the Bluesky application. So, if you want to do this, simply navigate to the Bluesky application by using your user credentials. Now, after logging in using your user credentials, you'll be on the Bluesky's dashboard. Here, you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, you will see this page where you'll have to simply click on the three-dotted icon at the right side of the screen. So the three-dotted icon will be appearing just at the right side of this edit profile button. Click on this three-dotted icon and it is going to show you this pop-up where it says share and add to lists. Simply click on this share button and it is going to show you some options at the bottom of your mobile. Now, click on those options and you'll be able to see all the applications through which you can invite your friends. For example, I will choose WhatsApp. Now when I click on WhatsApp, it is going to open up my WhatsApp. Here, I can simply click on any one of the friends that I want to invite. After I click on their name and click on the send icon, I'll be taken to this page where I can click on this send icon available. Now, whenever my friend is going to click on this link that I sent him, he'll be successfully promoted to a page where he can download the Bluesky application and install it pretty easily. After they sign up on the application, they'll be successfully able to use Bluesky easily. So that's how you invite your friends on Bluesky. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.